Ah! Good morning! So finally I'm back to ride, back to work. So we are Thursday now. It's gonna be 2 weeks I haven't ride. What happened? So when I crashed, that was on Mother's Day. I went back home. Oh no, I went to work. I went to work straight away, thinking that it's gonna be okay. Then 4 hours later, I started to feel my knees, the big hematome. So I was like, oh god, I need to go home. So I went home. I went to hospital on a Sunday. They told me to rest, and me obviously rest for 2 days. On a Monday I stay home. On a Tuesday I was feeling better, so I take my bike, I went to the shop, fix it, and on a Wednesday I went back to work, thinking all good, you know. And what happened? Wednesday was okay. Thursday started to be painful. Friday I wake up with my legs very in pain. And on a Saturday I went to work and I had to leave. I only worked for like 4 hours, and I had to go home after. I went back to hospital, see another doctor. No, actually my clinic at work, because I have a doctor at work. They gave me some medication, and they said, take this, you'll feel much better. They gave me a thing called Akrapovic or something like that. It's 120 milligram of something, and they say this will make you feel better in 2 days. This is very powerful, very strong. It will make you feel better. Guess what? I didn't feel any. I still feel the same pain basically. So 4 days later I went back, 4 or 5 days, I went back to the hospital, and hospital gave me something like 200 milligrams twice a day. Something they say is very strong. You only start to feel the effect 2 days later. So it was quite more painful than at the first actually. My problem is I went back to work and I just should have stayed home, and then it started to get worse. So last week I was off, this week I was off until Thursday, and now I feel much better, but it's not 100% back. It's like maybe 80%. I still got pain in my foot, because from my knees it went down to my foot, and yeah, I couldn't for like probably a week. Every morning I couldn't move when I wake up. It was very painful. If I have my knee guard on, I'll probably end up with only hematomes and it'll be okay, you know. But I didn't, I forget. So yeah. This is the way actually chef are, you know. This is typical us being in the job. As long as we can work, we're gonna go to work, you know what I mean? No matter what. Actually, when that guy crashed into me in London, someone crashed into me when I had my CBR before I left London, like maybe 6 months before I left. And what happened is I crashed my bike at 9 a.m, 8 a.m, something like that. And I take the bike back to the shop, to the garage, give it to them to check, and I take the tube and I went to work for like the whole day basically. This is the way we are, you know. We just, if we are okay, we go back to work, which is very bad because this time it actually gets worse. So now I'm back. The way I done it, I actually post a a few things. I went to my hard drive and I just, because I have nothing to edit, I don't own my editing before, so I have no much content to edit. So what I've done is I went to my hard drive, I picked up a few things from London or from some travel. So I got 2 travel video, one in Iceland, one in Europe, one in Iceland. What else do I have? I got a few vlogs. Now I'm gonna make some vlog today and the rest of the week, and then I should be back to normal. But it was quite hard to find basically some content. So yeah, the bike is not fixed. I still have a problem when I let the, like if I ride fast and I let, you know, I leave the bike going without touching the handlebar, you just keep moving like that. So I still need to go to the shop to fix this. I need to fix this also, put some new one, you know, to protect. Bit and pieces. I make a few x-ray, you know, make the knees, my legs, the knees, then I make here, then I make my foot. My hands actually still painful sometimes, so I make x-ray of the wrist. Nothing is broken, you know, I was lucky. But if I have a broken legs, for example, it will take like weeks and weeks to get better. So yeah, now I'm going back to work for 2 weeks, and then I'm going away. So there will be more video coming up this week or whatever you're watching, and it'll be more some travel video. So yeah. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, that's Gaki Ron, no? Dun, 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 dun. Maybe she's here. Gaki Road. So yeah, back to normal. Almost back to normal. I'll see you guys later. They're gonna make a petrol station there. That'll be quite good. Caltex is opening. This is not a sponsor video for Caltex. Thanks for all the message, guys, all the people, all the support, always. Thank you, I appreciate, and I'll see you guys later. Ride safe. And well, I hope my mistake of not slowing down over there in a roundabout, I hope it serves of lesson to basically everyone else. Just, you know, when you come to intersection, or just remember to slow down, because the problem is you ride the same road every day, so you just get confident and just, I was just like 50, I think I was like 51 or 52 when I get to the intersection, which is what, too, how do you call this, too fast, and I was just cruising, and my mind was, because there was a funeral. If you see on the video, there was a funeral cortege, so my mind was more on the funeral, and I was cruising at 52. If I was on the right lane, I could have avoided the guy, but then I was on the left lane. Also, the next portion we're gonna get there, it's open every morning on both sides, on only one side, so there's only one way to go down. So the way the guy was going up, I'm so confident that this road is closed normally for him to go up on a weekday. That's why in my mind I just didn't think like someone would come. So I hope my mistake will serve lesson to everyone else. And I mean, do as you want, but you know, gears is, as you can see, gears is important. You see, so this road is closed now, so I didn't expect the guy to just turn on the right and coming up from this one. I'm not counterflowing, guys, it's closed. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Thank you for watching, and thanks for all the support, all the message. Bye. road, shitty road, shitty road, shitty road. Having breakfast. Shut up. So I didn't realize, but I got a scratch here also. Ooh, from the scratch, see? Anyway, bike is fixed. Actually, it had no problem. The only thing is this one was slightly open. I didn't realize. So that's the whole thing, that's it. I changed the air filter, the air box. Change the air box and also change the, how do you call this, the front brake pad. The rear one's still okay, but the front, I think I moved 3,000 kilometers on it, so it was time to change. This one was bent, you just fix it up. So that's it, we're ready to go. Boom. Okay. I feel better. Every time when you change the airbox, you can see the difference. Nice bike. I'm gonna try to get some end bar with the guard lever, because every time I actually fall, last time I fall also, the main thing that I actually hold everything together was the handbar with the guard. It actually didn't scratch the bike, and it holds very well the lever, so yeah, better be protected, you know. I think it's like 200 or 300 pesos. I'm just gonna go and check it out. So now bike is all fixed. I just went to the vulcanizer and it cost me like 20 pesos to change the valve. That's what I love about the Philippines, is it costs nothing to fix things, you know. So yeah, at least it's done. Just have to wash the bike next, and I'm gonna wash the bike. I can make it dirty. Oh, splash everywhere. Dirty bitch. Wash the bike, adjust the mirror, and that's it. Fix. Tapos na. The bike is breathing much more with the new airboxes. You can feel the punch a little bit. Oh, fuck. The problem in this thing is half of the time they don't work, so you just end up losing the pressure in your tire more than actually getting any, you know. The guy, well, that's what they do in vulcanizer. That's why you should always check your tire after you go to vulcanizer. The tire was at 60 bars in there. 60. I usually put 35. Fuck. That's why you ride like this. I just rode it from home to here and I was like, what the hell? Something is wrong. But you know why? Over pressure. It's a bit of a, you know, I was passing and then he was also trying to pass, so it's all good, you know.